So it looks like I'm gonna make some money from YouTube Shorts. Yes, I got this email just a couple of days ago, YouTube Shorts Fund on one of my channels, and I'm gonna make $100 from YouTube Shorts Fund. I do have to claim this bonus, but I wanna show you behind the scenes what this channel is about and how many views I had to get that $100 bonus. So let's jump right into this. By the way, do make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video so you get future content from my channel. And also, if you like this video, it will help me too. So here's the channel, Tech Social. I do have several channels. This channel is focused on technology and social media hacks. iPhone hacks is the main focus. So let's go into YouTube Studio. Now, if your channel is YouTube Shorts channel, make sure you look at your emails, because the bonus announcement, it comes in your email, and I believe there's a date. For example, I do have to claim this by 25th, otherwise this bonus is gonna be gone. I haven't done the claim yet. I will today, but when you go to your studio and then the dashboard, you're gonna see that right here. So look right here, claim a shorts bonus. I'm eligible for shorts bonus, and let me clear this up, and I have to do it by the 25th of this month, the January. So let's see how many views from shorts I got on this channel in December, and we'll see roughly how many views this channel needs. And I'm sure this might be different depending on if your channel is gaming or finance or technology like this one. So let's go to analytics, and then we're going to look at the analytics of last month, which was December. Right here, December 2021, and let's see, there you go. So 1.7 million views, so that's approximately $100. I know it's not a lot, but it's more than zero, right? Comparatively, here's what I've seen: 1 million views on TikTok, it will get you close to like $30, so that's not a lot either. 1 million on Snapchat, that can get you close to $10,000 to $15,000. So it looks like Snapchat is probably the most per views right now. But I'm super excited. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos about YouTube Shorts. I have several channels, and there are different strategies I'm using to grow my YouTube Shorts channel. If you want to learn more about YouTube Shorts, let me know in the comments below, and I can go more deep into it. And also, once I claim and get that money in my bank from YouTube for YouTube Shorts, I'll let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.